Hello children, today we are going to start our lesson number 3, pronouns. It is very important parts of speech of English grammar, so understand this lesson very well. Repeat these words with me. I, me, you, we, he, she. What type of words they are, children? Yes, they are examples of pronoun. So what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Pronouns make sentence shorter and easier to say. For example, Ram is absent because he is ill. In this sentence, he is a pronoun because Ram is used once and he pronoun is used instead of repeating Ram in the sentence. Kinds of pronouns. Personal pronoun, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns are the different kinds of pronouns. Now we will discuss more about the kinds of pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns stand for the name of persons or things. I, me, he, she, we are the example of personal pronoun. There are three types of personal pronouns. First person personal pronoun refer to the person who is speaking. For example, I saw an elephant. Second person personal pronouns. Second person personal pronoun refer to the person spoken to. For example, you are very beautiful. Third person personal pronouns. Third person personal pronouns refer to the person or thing spoken about. For example, open the door, it is locked. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns refer to ownership, that is something belonging to somebody. For example, this book is mine. Through this example, we are able to understand that the book is belonging to me. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the objects. This, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. This and these are used for person or thing that are near the speaker. For example, this is a bird. That, those are used for person or thing that are away from the speaker. For example, those are my copies. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used for the receiver of action, means in such type of pronoun the person who does the action is also the receiver of the action. For example, I will do it myself. Reflexive pronouns end in self or selves. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves are the examples of reflexive pronouns. Just look at this slide. Through this, you are able to understand what are the reflexive pronouns. For example, if I is the pronoun and it will be converted into reflexive pronoun, then I will be converted into myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourself, you, yourselves, they, themselves. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to connect one part of sentence with a word in another part of sentence. They are usually located after the noun to make it clear which person, place or thing is being referred to. For example, this is the book that everyone is talking about. Who, which, whom, that are the examples of relative pronoun. Through this chart, you are able to understand which relative pronoun is used for what. For example, who is used for people, which is used for things and animals, that is used for things and animals, where refers to the places, When is used for the time. Why is used to ask the reasons. Interrogative pronouns. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. Who, whose, whom, which, what are the examples of interrogative pronoun. For example, which is your favorite subject? Now, children, let us see how pronouns can be classified according to their number, gender, and case. Personal pronouns and possessive pronouns can be used for one or many. Demonstrative and reflexive pronouns are also used in singular and plural number. I, me, he, him, she, her, you, it are singular personal pronouns. Them, they, you, we, us are plural personal pronouns. Remember, children, you and yours are used for both singular and plural pronouns. My, mine, his, hers are singular possessive pronouns. Their, are, theirs are plural possessive pronouns. Gender. Like nouns, pronouns also have gender, but there is no change in gender forms in first and second person. Third person take place for the person or thing spoken of. For example, my uncle is very rich. He earns a lot of money. Case. Read these sentences. I know Dr. Bose. We know Dr. Bose. Dr. Bose knows me. Dr. Bose knows us. The car he is driving is mine. The car he is driving is ours. Let's take the first example. I know Dr. Bose and we know Dr. Bose. In this sentence, the first person speaks as subject. It is said to be in the nominative case where I is singular and we is for the plural. When the first person becomes an object, it is said to be objective case. For example, Dr. Bose knows me and Dr. Bose knows us. It is me for singular and us in plural. When the first person speaks about the ownership, it is possessive case. For example, the car he is driving is mine. The car he is driving is ours. Here, mine is used for singular and ours is used for plural. Look at this slide. Through this slide, it is easy for you to understand how personal pronouns are used according to sentence. When it is nominative, I will change to me in objective, mine or my in possessive and myself in reflexive pronoun. Same way, we, us, our, ourself, you, your, yourself. Children, we have discussed about pronouns. Now it is homework time. So your homework is to learn the definition and the different types of pronoun. You have to write 5 examples for each kind of pronouns. Then one more homework is there for you. That is, you have to write a paragraph about your best friend in your rough copy by using different type of pronouns, and you have to underline those pronouns. Thank you, children.